Hello. I was asked to do a tutorial to install the Playable and Playables mod, so I figured I'd do that. It shouldn't take too long. So the first thing I want to do is I want to make sure that I have a clean install of Fear and Hunger 2. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to navigate to our Fear and Hunger 2 folder where we installed it. You can do that on Steam by right-clicking, going to Manage, Browse Local Files. And here's the folder where I installed Fear and Hunger. So I already had the mod installed. So yeah, what we're going to do is we're going to now uninstall. Okay, you can see there's still some stuff left in the folder. I'm going to delete those. Okay, so now there's nothing in the folder. There's no files left behind. So now I'm going to reinstall. Okay, so Fear and Hunger 2 is now reinstalled. There shouldn't be any modded files on it. We'll check just to be safe. Okay, yeah, so as you can see, it's completely unmodded. Everything's normal. So next, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the Playable Non-playables mod page. I'll leave the link in the description. We're going to go to Files. We're going to download it. I don't have a premium account, so I'm going to have to just wait for this to do its thing. Okay, so when the mod is finished downloading, you'll get this file named mod4936 bunch of numbers. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open this with a program that can read RAR files. This will be either Winrar or 7-zip. I use 7-zip. We're going to want to open this. Okay. Going to also want to open our folder where we installed Fear and Hunger. That's not it. Browse files. Okay. We're going to want to click and drag the www folder into our Fear and Hunger 2 folder. This might also take a little bit. When we get to this window, we're going to want to let it replace the files in the destination. Okay. So now that should be the mod installed. Now let's check and see if the mod worked. New game. And we can see now we can play previously unplayable characters. Summary, enter, and just choose that if you want to play the dating sim. And there you go. All right. Well, I hope this helped.